So this is us before the quiz of Tulsi. So this is okay. This is us. So okay. Wala man ta kabalik pila ko to. So insert nila Ira og ni Jawe. Si Ira kay nag-study sila sa kauban ng mga manok sa Jollibee. Si Jawe di kubalan. Pero feel ko nagulit na siya. Si Nadari nag-grade 1 na siya. Nag-grade 1 yard. Since humanami guys, I am so grateful and I am so happy to be here, to stand before you. Yes.
Logan's Diversity Way.
Nasa duha ka dimension, which are the primary and secondary dimension. Ang primary mo to ang fixed na
Absolute. Or to a person.
Tapos ang secondary kay kanang pwede pa siya ma-change because of the factors which is the environments and everything. Perfect.